Intergrain UltraDeck is an extremely long-lasting, water-based oil for decking and exterior timber. To get started, here's what you'll need. If you're applying a top coat to new bare timber, you can use Power Prep and Reviver to skip the weathering process. Otherwise, start by removing surface dirt by sweeping or washing down with water. Clean by applying Reviver to damp timber and allow it to dry thoroughly. Test if the surface is ready for coating by sprinkling water on the timber. If the water is absorbed, it is ready. If it beads on the surface, repeat the application of Reviver. Stir thoroughly before and during coating with a flat blade stirrer. If your project requires more than 1 can of UltraDeck, mix them together in one large container to achieve colour uniformity. Take care to apply sufficient product to edges and end grain. Then apply the top coat of UltraDeck. Don't start applying UltraDeck if it's too hot or too cold outside. When working on large areas, such as decking and weatherboards, coat no more than 3 boards at a time. Complete an entire length or continue until a natural break, such as a window. Don't overspread or apply too thinly, as insufficient thickness will result in lap marks and compromise the oil's performance and durability. Wait 4 hours to dry before applying a second coat. If necessary, sand lightly between coats to remove any raised grain. Apply 3 coats in extreme conditions, or 4 coats if coating over damp timber. Now your deck is protected, looking impressive and ready to be enjoyed all year round. Intergrain UltraDeck, inspired by professionals, chosen by professionals.